The following message is transmitted at the request of the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention CDC in Atlanta at around 7:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. A cargo plane carrying samples of the 2019 novel coronavirus, along with infected passengers, has crashed near the intersection of Jackson Boulevard and Airport Street, or near the Jackson CTA Blue Line station, and erupting into a giant fireball. It was assumed that the virus would not be able to survive in such hot temperatures, but responding authorities started to experience symptoms just hours later. Before the CDC could arrive, many of the law enforcement personnel had come in contact with citizens. It is unknown how the virus is spreading so quickly, but all attempts to contain the virus had failed. Do not delay. Evacuate now. A more detailed message about the evacuation will follow shortly. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Illinois Emergency Management Agency. This is a mandatory evacuation for all of Illinois, effective immediately. Turn off all heating, water, and ventilation. Take with you food, water, and essential medications. Before you leave, tie a brightly colored piece of fabric to your mailbox or doorknob to let authorities know you have taken the proper actions to ensure your safety. Screenings for the virus will take place on all interstates and airports, but if you experience the following symptoms, stay where you are. Symptoms of the virus include fever, coughing, shortness of breath, and a generalized feeling of being unwell. Citizens 3 miles away from the Chicago metropolitan area are urged not to evacuate and to head to the nearest hospital. Stay tuned to Media News Networks for more information on this dangerous situation.